I'm a faculty member at the University of West Virginia. I am double boarded in family medicine and medical acupuncture. And I come to you.
I want to take you in my lecture, I want to take you with me in the next 30 minutes into segmental thinking in acupuncture. And also I want to try to show you the value of this approach for...
Now I'm at... Now, do you realize now that I touched the periosteum? It's a certain kind of sour feeling, you know. What the Chinese say swan, you know, swan, sour feeling. You know, it's a dumb feeling. Numb, not dumb. Numb feeling. Okay. So,
non-specific low back pain can't be diagnosed structurally. So, non-specific low back pain should require functional diagnosis. Functional diagnosis should rule out structural problems and then should be considered functional causes. Specific low back pain and non-specific low back pain are mostly caused by movement. So, abnormal functional movement that can cause functional causes should be considered. Shoes up? Shoes. Without shoes. First time, I have to decide sacral torsion type. Just a paper test. Yeah, right and left. How do you feel?
A bit painful.
Painful. I still. Yeah, still. It's still. I don't always trust structural physical examination. So I always trust functional physical examination. Functional paper test. Relatively positive. This means relative positive. This means right. Yeah, you're smart. Left. Yeah. Yeah. Left. Yeah. This positive. Yeah. This negative. This is structural measurement of left side joint. You understand? Left. Right. Anterior rotation. Right. Or right denominator. Left. Posterior rotation. Yep. Left denominator. But this treatment is called sacral jet. Sacral jet error warp type. Sacral jet. That's a sacral jet error type. Just dorsiflexion. Yes. Sit. Raise it. You arm. I will resist.
Okay.
I resist. Yep.
Slowly.
This line is a scapular position. Really?
On the right.
On the right.
Gluteus sometimes.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Better.
Better. Interpelvic torsion is changing. Yeah. Functional. This is functional, not structural.
잘할게요.
Tempora mandibular muscular disorders are representative musculoskeletal disorder that occur in the orofacial area.